Hey everyone, Loganetics here, and this is System Test 50. Today is a special system because this is my middle school system. So let's get started. Excuse my voice, I am a bit sick right now, but I was feeling good enough to make the video, so here we are. Right here is my Simplex 2901-9833 on the 2903 light plate. Now I'm going to play a video from the middle school.
We were just sitting in class and it looks like the fire alarm's going off.
So that's what that has. In here, we have the Gentex SHG. This one's a second gen, but my school is the third gen. And we have the Edwards 278B 1120. My school had the 1110, which has a screw lock instead of the key. Here's a clip from that part of the school. And here we have another 2903 with the 9833. For smokes, I usually have an ion right above the panel, but I made an exception this time. We have the Simplex 2098-9636, 425120. Over here is the Simplex 2098-9201. My school had a couple of these as replacement units. Let's start with the 425120, and the system is set to temporal 3. Here we go. That's the only thing doing silence. That reminds me of... This reminds me of when my 8th grade science teacher set off the fire alarm. That was like half the fire alarms that year. All right, let's set it off with the 278. Now for the finale, the other 2098. Oh, forgot. Oops. That was already an alarm. That'll probably re-alarm though. Or that will. Told you. Alright everyone, that's it for System Test 50. Pretty excited because this is my 50th system test, and it also feels like I'm back in middle school. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.